how are you all? Today's video is about study plan. Okay, the best study plan for IBPS AFO prelims. Okay, actually I didn't plan for this study plan, okay, like day wise. Since one of our friends asked, okay, I thought to make, especially who are at zero, okay, who have not started the preparation yet but want to give their best in these 55 days. So this is up to preliminary level. Okay, again I am not included mains. Okay, to qualify in that 2000 list. Okay, I mean mali 2000 kaadu 190 into 10, if they select into 10 whatever it is, to qualify for mains I have made this study plan considering the aspirant at zero stage. Okay, even if you start today, you can get, as I discussed earlier in previous video, 70 plus we are targeting for this year prelims. Okay, and we may get if we follow this study plan. Okay, but one request from you all is this: I'm doing my best, okay, to keep good strategies or good study plans or to guide you or motivate you. But if anything goes wrong, ante exam lo, don't blame me, okay? Ante, because unpredictable kada, but I'm trying my best only because even I am writing this exam. So after thinking every criteria, okay, but only one guilty is that without cracking AFO, I'm guiding AFO. That is the biggest guilty I have. But still, I will try my best to guide you all. So please do me this favor, okay? Don't blame or mind after exam, okay? But I can make a hope to you that this will helpful for your preparation. Okay, and so mainly we will get into the video. Again, I will not lag, okay, by telling the same things. Okay, just understand my guilty. Okay, now, so first of all, I made this strategy if you are at zero preparation. Okay, so who have good knowledge about previous of writing mains exam, okay, like second or third attempt or other banking exams. If you are perfect at QRE, I mean quant reasoning English, okay, so adjust your strength topics or weakness, okay, whatever it is, according day wise. Okay, don't follow this blindly. Adjust your subjects or topics according to your strength. But for an idea, I made this study plan and based on your positive and strength points, adjust the plan, okay, but don't follow blindly this plan. Okay, now second thing is I have not included English in this study plan because English, as I've said, it is a unique subject. How much you want to improve. Previously I set the topics, expected topics, how we can aim 12 to 15, to where to concentrate. So adjust to get the 12 to 15 marks. Again, adjust English topics based on your practice level. Okay, whether you will start with vocabulary, whether you start with grammar, or whether you practice closed test. Okay, daily how much time you can afford for English, that is up to your wish. So English mainly I feel like we can score sectional is enough for English. Okay, we can't keep more time on English and okay, neglect other topics because we need to get overall also license vacancies are less, so we need to get more than 50% of marks, okay, overall. So in that way, but if you are very weak at English, try to allot half an hour every day, in these 55 days, every day allot half an hour for your English topics. Okay, so that is the second thing I want to say. Now we will go from July 3rd, that is from today, to exam 29th is August 29th is prelims till 28 is again revision or rest period, break, whatever you can say. Till 27 I've made the schedule anamata, I mean study day plan. Okay, so now first of all, if you watch my, if you missed a professional knowledge, okay, or that strategy, you try to watch, okay, based on that topics. Okay, whatever the video I have done, idi mana professional best strategy, okay, best strategy for AFO prelims, okay, based on new pattern, whatever the topics, be it reasoning, quant and professional knowledge, how in what way I explained, I have included the same topics in the study plan again, because I don't want to make complete different. Whatever I said, the important topics and important weightage in same I have included in the study plan in the same order. Okay, like most priority orders we should complete first, so that we will get some confidence. Okay, with increase in day we need to get confidence about prelims. Okay, so that's why I've included the highest, and highest priority topics. And if in QRA, I mean not E, quant and reasoning, easy topics. Okay, easy and scoring topics. Okay, so first, so this I will tell normally only, there is nothing much to explain. Okay, so first I am included, so this study plan will work out best for you if you can afford 5 hours a day. 5 hours means quality 5 hours. Okay, not like studying again, taking brain, that consistency. Okay, I feel like 5 hours per day is enough for these 55 days to get 70 plus. Okay, again, if you have more time, or if you don't have multiple exams, if you have only AFO, then again, because see, this study plan also I made only small targets, because this year we can't prepare only AFO. I suggest everyone, those who are watching this video right now, I personally suggest you to go for other banking exams also, because less vacancies. I'm not demotivating you, but don't completely rely on AFO. Okay, so I made targets considering that in mind. Okay, not, this is not only for AFO. Okay, you can adjust your time for other exams also. For example, if you take SBI PO or IBPS PO also, you are already practicing QRA. Only matter is the, see, preliminary level also August same time kada, but mains level current affairs, or high level of quant and reasoning, again that's a different story. Whether you will prepare parallelly the prelims and quant mains level, that is up to your wish, but this AFO is for preliminary level. And if you can allocate more time for other exams also, you will be easily managing. Okay, if you, even if you follow the study plan, you can make time for other subject also. That is completely depends upon your speed, how much interest and how much focus you are studying in preparing. Because I didn't keep more targets per day. Okay, only less topics. Since 55 days kada, according to that I made anmata. So this is, I just want to explain you like how I made, considering the points what made me to do this plan. Okay, now you can easily, I can guarantee you, okay, not only for AFO, with this study plan you can prepare for other exams also. Okay, provided same syllabus, not accept the professional knowledge. Other banking mali completely different exams, SSC CGL అవి అంటే మళ్ళీ railways, I don't know, I don't have any knowledge in that. Okay, state exams or whatever it is, but only banking examples. Other exams means along with AFO, other banking exams. Okay, now starting from 3rd July, GA means general agriculture. For general agriculture I allotted 6 days. Okay, day targets. Again, it's your wish how much general agriculture you want to finish, because general agriculture is very important. Again, what to study, that individual topics also. Again, as I said in previous video, while explaining the subject I will tell anmata, but already I completed general agriculture subject in our channel. Okay, but once in future, under not I will not delay, after few subjects. Okay, after completing, or else at least 2 or 3 major subjects, again I will come for GA. Okay, but till then study first general agriculture, wherein you cover scientific names, families, important years, institutes, boards, PH, ఇంకేమంటారు, దట్ ఆల్సో మేము ప్రిపేరింగ్ ద వీడియో అనమాట, రాసుకున్నా. మాన్సూన్, ఇరిగేషన్, ప్రోటీన్ పర్సెంట్, టెస్ట్ వెయిట్, రెవల్యూషన్స్, ఆల్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దట్ వే జనరల్ అగ్రికల్చర్ టాపిక్స్, if you follow any book, or else the topics plan atla first day or 3rd July general agriculture, approximation and syllogisms. Okay, don't neglect these topics, because quant reasoning you need to score sectional marks, that to 15. Okay, 12 to 15 marks minimum. With this practice you can get 12 to 15. Out of 20 minutes you can attempt for 15 questions easily. Okay, minimum 15 you can score if you a discipline undi. If you practice according to this study plan, out of 20 minutes 15 questions you can easily mark minimum. I'm saying if you are if you are good at practice, then even you can score 20 also in the final exam. Okay, but I can guarantee you that you will get 15 marks. Okay, both quant and reasoning. 15 plus is depends upon your hard work and discipline. Okay, but minimum 15 you will get. Okay, so third, general agriculture 1, approximation 1, syllogisms 1. Second, general agriculture 2, approximation 2, syllogisms 2. General agriculture 3, simplification 1, inequalities. General agriculture 4, simplification 2, blood relations. General agriculture 5, quadratic equation, directions. General agriculture quadratic equations to alphanumeric series. Okay, next, ninth. Okay, after 1 week again whatever that 1 week complete anamata. General agriculture complete revision again. Okay, next, approximation, simplification, quadratic equation, sectional marks. Okay, so after practicing the topics, in between I made sectional marks are subject test. Okay, because whatever you are reading or whatever you are practicing, whether it will work in exam or not. Okay, you have to cross check whether you are accurate about answers, because general agriculture obviously it is a theoretical subject. Okay, when you are reading it will be nice, but whether you are attempting, whether you are able to answer correctly anedi point anamata. So after few subjects I made 1 day for complete revision and 1 day for complete subject test, or you can say, or sectional marks. Okay, so ninth is the complete GA revision, whatever you studied the first 6 days, and then this sectional marks anamata. Okay, definitely marks you have to do. Okay, only practice cheste you will not find result. After practicing the topics you have to write marks also. Practice means again number of questions. Approximation practice daily, that also depend on your confidence. If you feel like, okay, after solving 20 different approximations I can solve in exam. Okay, how many you will practice, that is up to your wish, or else keep half an hour for approximation. That, see, time also depends on individual anamata. How much you are keeping for approximation, how much you can allot for syllogisms, agriculture anedi, it's your wish anamata. Based on that practice, based on your allocation of your time, practice that number of questions. Okay, but at the end of the day, when you're at complete revision, or when you're writing sectional marks, check whether you are improving your score or not. Okay, because without wrong and inaccuracy undi, even if you practice, no use anamata. So after practicing definitely you should do marks anamata, sectional marks cheyali compulsory. Okay, next, after the 10th agronomy 1, 10 to 14 agronomy. Okay, 5 days. See, because these are the major subject, I allotted more time anamata, because if you are starting stages, if you are good at these subjects, and you can as I said earlier, adjust the plan. Okay, so agronomy 5, per day 5. How much time you will allocate anedi your wish anamata. NS is number series 1, circular puzzles number series 2, circular puzzles 2, number series circular puzzles 3, and number series sectional marks, circular puzzle sectional marks. Okay, number series includes both missing and wrong. Okay, next, 15th July agronomy complete revision, and 14th agronomy 5 ages 1 linear puzzles. This arithmetic also I have included the topics which I studied in the strategy video. That also again adjust your plan according to your strength. If you feel like time and work is easy for you, and ages, if you are confident, include time and work at this on this day. Ala plan cheyandi meeru. Okay, next, agronomy complete revision ages 2 linear puzzles 2. Next, 16. So this red pen even more important whenever I will, because as I have said, professional knowledge will play a major role. So That also I kept in mind while making the study plan. On 16th July, you have to write the sectional marks and a subject test. Okay, whatever you read, revision is complete. Revision is different. Day to day study is different. Complete revision is different, and this plays a major role. Whatever you have studied here accuracy. If you are solving 50 questions each subject, you should get at least 40, 42 to 45 marks only. That also, after writing exam, you need to analyze what you have done wrong. Okay, and analysis is very important. Don't just blindly write and leave the questions. Okay, always when you're writing the test, attempting the test, always analyze after the exam what you have done wrong, why you have done wrong, and where you have to improve, again where you have to do more revisions to remember that topic anamata. Okay, so general agriculture, agronomy, wantedly I combined both anamata, because similar, it's not specific like this topic belongs to this and kaadu, together also you can prepare. Okay, agronomy crops, like major crops, paddy, wheat, maize. Okay, next sugarcane, tobacco, tea. Okay, in that way, again individual topics I will tell again while doing the subject videos. Okay, so for now you can plan accordingly anamata, but sectional test, subject test is must. Okay, now you can ask sister where we can write this sectional test, subject test or mock test ante. For now, for this AFO prelims, I have not taken any mock test series. Paid test series I have not taken. I feel like for now every institute will change the pattern. And before subscriptions nakantu already textbook subscription is there for me, and adda 247 subscription is there for me. So because of all bank exams last year I have taken, until my membership is there, I don't know whether they have started exam or not. I think they will రిలీజ్ ది బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఎగ్జామ్, అంటే షెడ్యూల్ చేస్తారు లైక్ దిస్ డే ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుందని. బట్ ఫర్ నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ ఎనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ మార్క్స్, ఐదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆర్ sectional, whatever it is, I will let you know anamata. For now I don't have any AFO related ante completely AFO test series na I didn't purchase, and if I purchase I will let you know in future. Okay, I have only general, all banking textbook and mana adda. Okay, soil, next 17 soil science 1, partnership 1, linear puzzles 3, soil science 2, partnership 2, linear puzzle, sectional mark. Soil science 3, pie and partnership, sectional mark. Okay, this I will read ante almost I have understand avutundi meeku, but still I will read once. 20 soil science 4, mana simple interest 1, block puzzles. Soil science 5, simple interest 2, block puzzles 2. Okay, practice number of questions. Okay, puzzles. 22 soil science complete revision, compound interest 1, block puzzle, sectional marks. Okay, 23 horty 1. See, only small targets anamata. If you are good at, if you are very disciplined, this one day target you can complete in 2 to 3 hours. Okay, 2 hours kaadu, because subject code undi kada. Even if you keep half an hour 2 hours you can keep only on subject. That too horty one class or one topic, if you can study for 2 hours ante, even sometimes you can cover 2 to 3 days topic kuda one day lo complete cheyochu. Okay, but considering zero preparation, I have made this timetable anamata. Okay, horty 1, horty 2, horty 3, horticulture. Okay, 5 days again I have made for horticulture. And here compound interest 2, floor based puzzles, simple interest, compound interest, sectional marks. Mana floor puzzle 2, percentages 1, floor puzzles 3, percentages 2, and floor puzzle, sectional marks. Percentages, sectional mark. Parallel low puzzles. Okay, parallelly they will sit north south direction, such type of puzzles. Horticulture complete revision, DI 1 and data interpretation 1, and parallel puzzles 2. Okay, after that again soil science, another 2 major subject. Okay, soil science, horticulture subject. So whenever you are writing this individual subject test, wantedly I skipped quant and reasoning, because already individually you are doing daily practicing topics, and again parallelly you are doing the sectional test also. So but when you are writing the entire subject test, I wanted you to skip quant and reasoning. Okay, I feel like if you concentrate that day only on revision and analysis, it will be good for you. Ante whatever you are studying, it will remain anamata brain lo. Okay, again malli I don't want to add quant and reasoning on this subject test anamata. Okay, because you have to analyze kuda. Okay, నెక్స్ట్ ఏహెచ్ అంటే యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ 1, డిఐ 2, ప్యారలల్ పజిల్ 3, యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ 2, డిఐ 3, మన ప్యారలల్ పజిల్ సెక్షనల్ మార్క్స్ అనమాట. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ విత్ దిస్ మ్యాక్సిమం ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ జులై యూ విల్ కంప్లీట్ 4 మేజర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ 2 days అనమాట. అంటే హౌ మచ్ యూ కెన్ కవర్ ఇన్ దట్ 2 days ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ. బట్ సి ఆఫ్టర్ 1 month you will get see how much confidence. Okay, after 1 month with this good discipline you will come to know. If you feel like this plan was not working, then you can leave here itself. Again you can make your own anamata. Okay sister, it's not working for me, this timetable is not good, and it's okay. Okay, but see after July 4 major subjects, okay, that animal husbandry 2 days aina kuda you can score 10 questions ante almost 20 to 25 marks you will get by the end of the July. Okay, if our luck is good, because as I said preliminary level I'm expecting mostly subject test than current affairs. Okay, so if they give more subjects top questions on major subjects, okay, then you can easily get 20 to 25 marks, that is 50% of professional knowledge by the end of the July itself only. Also you will get more confidence. Okay, also see already reasoning also you will cover most of the topics, I mean 80% of topics, and quant also 80% of the topics. Okay, so after end of the July you feel like you can write the exam. Okay, irrespective of vacancies. Again after August animal husbandry 3, DI 4, reasoning. See with this July I've completed reasoning topics anamata, puzzles in as I said circular, linear, floor based, parallel. Okay, again you can try for another answer, because only 25 marks kada. Again age based puzzles, different puzzles, again it's depend on your interest anamata. Okay, so here important is after August, after finishing this topic wise reasoning, you have to practice entire reasoning sectional. Okay, not like individual topics but entire reasoning. Ante reasoning mock test 1 ante complete 25 questions. Okay, in 20 minutes. In the same way quant also, if I have said that quant mock test ante 25 questions 20 minutes. Okay, because already here you have practice in July month, you have practice individual topics, individual sectional test, topic test. Okay, but here overall quant you have to write, overall reasoning you have to write, to check whether in 20 minutes how many questions you are attempting, with how much accuracy you are doing, and then try to analyze. Okay, in 20 minutes initially don't mind the scores. Okay, even if you get single digit also don't worry, but after this much July practice I guess you will start to get 10 marks, 12 marks. Okay, slowly you will improve. Okay, don't worry about marks at initial stages. Okay, but check whether 20 minutes whether you are able to attempt 20 questions. Okay, one question 1 minute ఉండేటట్టుగా in exam less than 1 minute you should solve one question. So practice in such a way. Okay, so it's very important. If you get struck reasoning here itself, if you get single digits or or whatever the questions you are keeping are going wrong, then malli waste avutadi, again you will lose sectional cut off potundi. Kabatti you have to practice before going to full length test. You have to practice itla sectional testlu kuda raskoవాలి. Okay, first topics practice, topics revision test, I mean topics test, revision test, again sectional revision test. Okay, entire topics anamata. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Okay, I hope whatever this communication I have to improve. I know that I need to improve my English skills, but okay, animal husbandry 4, DI 5, reasoning mock test 2, animal husbandry 5. See whenever I write mock test 1, because this mock test it will hardly take 20 minutes, and again another 20 minutes, okay, based on your time, okay, based on the mistakes, if you attempted 50 questions and 100% accuracy, after exam remaining 20%, 20 questions you have to solve, you have to analyze anamata, okay, that ఎంత టైం అనేది అగైన్ ఇట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ యువర్ అటెంప్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జామ్ అనమాట. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ ఫర్ డిఐ 5 రీజనింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ 5 డిఐ సెక్షనల్ మార్క్స్, ఎంటైర్ డిఐ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ విల్ గెట్, ఐదర్ పై డయాగ్రామ్, టేబుల్, గ్రాఫ్, okay, data, whatever it is, every DA you have to practice sectional marks anamata. Next reasoning mock test 5, okay. Next animal husbandry complete revision, okay, and then quant mock test 1, okay. With this till August 3rd I have stopped reasoning anamata, and I included quant because quant it will take time. You have to do analysis, ante after writing exams you have to do analysis. Being science graduates, most of them will be find difficult in solving arithmetic and quant. So when you are solving entire quant 25 questions, you need to focus more, okay. That's why I have not included reasoning here, okay. And also after this, after 4th August I started 90% priority, like small subjects. First is the major subjects, and then I went to the second priority subjects. So I want to, these are the subjects where syllabus is less, so that if you can keep more time you can complete even one day, okay. Some people, if they sit for 4 to 5 hours, agriculture engineering you can complete in 4 to 5 hours, okay, because you need to study only important topics, one liners, okay. So I have unlike major subject 5 to 6 days, I have given only 2 days, okay. Into actually 1 day is enough, but if you are at first initial stages, 2 days will be enough for you, okay. Agri engineering 1, quant mock test 2, agri engineering 2, quant mock test 3. Again forestry only 1 day, 1 day is enough, hardly it will take 2 hours, okay. 2 hours. If you are at కొంచెం slow అయితే 2 to max 3 hours, okay. But I can guarantee you that forestry you can complete in 2 days, okay. Forestry quant mock test 4. Again on 8th complete agri engineering, forestry complete revisions, and one quant mock test 5, okay. So this complete revision again, because whatever the 3 subjects you are studying, agri engineering, forestry, okay, only 2 subjects kada, okay, complete revision and quant mock test 5, okay. With this August 8th you will complete 5 major subjects and 2 another subjects, agri engineering, forestry, okay. And then again from 9th seed technology, 1 day is enough, quant mock test 6. And again I have started reasoning here because I have already 4 days 5 days I have taken break for reasoning, because we should not take more than 1 week break between the while planning, because again you will lose touch, anta speed pothund anamata if you ante that is my personal feeling anamata. When you delay so much time in practicing that subject, again you feel like new, because a speed automatically, when you practice daily, you will have one speed. If you take breaks again to get into that speed, again it will take time. So don't take more than 1 week of gap, okay. Don't sit only on one subject first, okay. Few people they will make plan like that. First they will complete professional knowledge, first they will prepare only quant, only reasoning అలా ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఓన్లీ ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఓన్లీ వన్ టాపిక్ 1 day or 1 week 1 subject, 1 week 1 subject, you will not have that much interest. But per day if you add 2 to 3 topics or 2 to 3 different subjects, you will have interest and you will not feel bored and hectic anamata, okay. So I have planned, that's why I have included every day 3 different subjects, or else in between I skipped few topics anamata, okay. Agri engineering, forest అయిపోయింది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ 9 seed technology, 1 day is enough, okay. Quant reasoning 6 10, because here this 20 minutes you will take time, here 20 minutes time. Again the analysis based on the number of questions you have attempted, okay. Next fisheries 1, quant 7, reasoning 7. 11th fisheries 2, quant 8, reasoning 8. Genetics 1, quant 9. See, fisheries 2 classes you need to study, because fisheries is new to us, mostly agriculture, horticulture, forestry. They will not, if they are at zero, it's hard for them to complete fisheries on one day. But 2 days ante one day maybe, you can you will take time anamata to read and understand such topics. So I have given 2 days for fisheries. It is good if you cover even one day also. Okay, next, genetics 1 quant 9 reasoning 9, genetics 2 quant 10 reasoning 10. Okay, with this I have done only 10 sectional marks anamata together. Okay, not, I feel like after this much you will have confidence that you can score 15 plus in that sectional marks anamata. Okay, so again 14th August, animal husbandry, agri engineering, forestry, entire subject test. Okay, again don't practice quant and reasoning, because here you have one major subjects and two other subjects. Okay, how many questions you will write test అనేది that depends on you. Okay, అంటే ఏ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ మీరు తీసుకుంటుంది, how many previously they used to cover 60 questions in mains కాబట్టి, otherwise some people they will cover 30 questions. Okay, for example animal husbandry 30 questions, engineering 30 questions. Okay, but don't know, అంటే now we don't know how much they will cover sectional అని. ఓవరాల్ అయితే దే విల్ కవర్ 25 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓన్లీ, బికాస్ 50 మార్క్స్ కాబట్టి. బట్ సెక్షనల్ అండ్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ టెస్ట్ వీ డోంట్ నో. ఓకే, బట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ దిస్ sectional and subject test, try to read, analyze and again revise only particular subject test. Okay, again don't go for quant and reasoning. Okay, again 15th August, seed technology, fisheries, genetics complete revision. Okay, next 16 sericulture. See, these are the allied subjects where 50-50 we can expect or we cannot expect. Okay, that's why I have included at last. These are not that much priority, because 25 questions they may give or they may not give. Okay, so I have included at the last, because first you need to get confidence, okay, whether you will qualify or not, so that you can prepare your mind, okay, to stay confident and positive. I have included allied and least priority subjects at the end of the mana preparation days, you can say, whatever it is. Okay, next, sericulture, only sericulture one day you can prepare. Entire quant, see English I have not included kada, but after 15 ante before 2 weeks of exam antena, 1 2 3 4 5 6 12 days. Okay, so whatever it is, before 10 days you can say, 12 days తీసేయండి, before 10 days of exam I have included QRE English also. You have to practice QRE anamata. QRE section, now we will see PO prelims కానీ SBI PO prelims కానీ, అంటే scale 1 లెవెలే కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ అనమాట. It will take 1 hour, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, you can take previous RRB PO prelims or clerical prisms PO prelims. Okay, whatever it is, you can practice those tests kuda. It will be helpful for your speed anamata. Okay, concepts kuda idea vastundi. So I have thought QRE entire quant reasoning e sectional rayali. Okay, don't include professional knowledge here quant reasoning English, that is you need to allot 1 hour for this test and 1 hour for analysis. Okay, 1 hour again it depends on you. Quant reasoning English, how many questions you are attempting. So 2 hours for this QRE sectional mark, sectional marks of QRE and analysis. Complete sericulture, 2 hours is enough. Okay, apiculture QRE 2, entomology QRE 3, pathology QRE 4. Okay, these allied subjects only 1 day is enough. Okay, 1 day means 2 to 3 hours. Okay, next, economics and extension QRE 5, sericulture, apiculture, whatever the subjects you have studied above, and that complete revision 21 days. Seri, epi, ento, path, economics, extension, complete revision. Okay, now this is very important, the last 1 2 3 4 5 6 last 6 days, very very important. So here see, actually the more number of tests, full length tests are very important. Okay, but I felt like previously only 60 questions means 60 marks, 45 minutes. So only 45 minutes means I mean full length test means we can write daily 3 to 4 also, no problem. But here 125 questions, okay, 80 minutes of time, okay. So it's no joke to sit continuously and write multiple exam. Here accuracy and quality is more important than number, okay. Don't think like, okay, why sister made only 6 full length test, at least 10 we have to write, okay. It's good if you can adjust the plan, you can write. But in order to write more full length test, but if you are not, not doing quality, not attempting good, it's waste, okay. Whatever you are writing, write properly in a quality way, okay. Make sure that you are improving your score, you are checking your preparation, ante how much right, how many wrong, okay. Again, don't be, some people they want to, they are, they feel like the more number of mock test we will write before exam, then we will get that much confidence in exam, and it's okay. But now since here time is more kada, previous ante 45 minutes ante even 5 also we can write per day, morning 2, afternoon 1, again rest night 2. But here it's not like that. 80 minutes 125 questions ante, see ante kada, 125 questions 1 attempt lo ante, again because analysis also you have to do, not only just writing exam and leaving. 125 minutes lo again you have to do analysis of all 125 questions. So I have made only one full length test one day and included few topics, okay. See, the 22 I have written only complete full length test, okay. Only that is only to check whether these previous days hard work is working for you or not, okay. What score you have got with the above preparation and daniki only full length mock and analysis. But after first full length mock test, I have included scheme and NABARD norms, okay, where we can, so again I'm saying, I feel like they will not give in preliminary level, maybe mains they can give, but still whoever are serious that sister I don't want to miss even 1 mark, I will study everything అన్న వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే స్టడీ దీస్ ఆల్సో, ఓకే. స్కీమ్స్ 1, okay. I have already done what schemes are important from exam point of view, that you can check, okay. Schemes 1, NABARD ones I will do, okay. I will make video on NABARD 1 norms also. NABARD 1 prelim full length mock 3, schemes 2, NABARD norms. 2 days is enough, okay. Schemes many schemes ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి we need to cover agriculture and ministries కాబట్టి, rural development, agriculture and farming, fisheries అన్నీ కాబట్టి 3 days schemes. Priority sector lending very important, okay. Next prelims full length 5 MSP, okay. మన రీసెంట్ మేలో ఖరీఫ్ ఉన్నాయి, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అక్టోబర్లో వచ్చిన 2026 and 27 రబీ క్రాప్స్ ఎంఎస్పీలు ఉన్నాయి. అగైన్ ఐ విల్ డూ వీడియో ఆన్ దట్, ఓకే. దట్ యూ కెన్ ప్రిపేర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేస్ అండ్ థీమ్స్, ఓకే. అంటే ఫర్ ఆగస్ట్ కాబట్టి ఆగస్ట్ వరకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేస్ అండ్ థీమ్స్ లైక్ మన ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ మార్చ్ మే ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఓకే. మార్చ్లో వాటర్ డే, ఫారెస్ట్ డే, ఓకే. జూన్లో ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ డే, మేలో బీ డే, టీ డే, ఓకే. అంటే అగ్రికల్చర్ రిలేటెడ్ ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్, ఓకే. నో నీడ్ టు మళ్ళీ అదర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేస్ అవసరం లేదు, బట్ డేస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు అగ్రికల్చర్ అనమాట. థీమ్స్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ మాక్ టెస్ట్ 6 ఫారెస్ట్ రిపోర్ట్, లైఫ్ స్టాక్ సెన్సెస్, ఓకే. ఇవి ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చినాయి అనమాట, రీసెంట్ డేట్ ఏం లేదు. సో యూ కెన్ చెక్, బట్ యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్ నాకు ప్రిలిమ్స్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అనిపించలేదు, దట్స్ వై ఐ హ్యావ్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్ at the last, okay. That too after you get good confidence in this score, ante here you need to score, even if you miss these questions also you need to get 70 plus anamata. So I have made this plan anamata. 28th only revision, or if you have good, I know ఇది రివిజన్ అవ్వదు, ఐ నో. 28th August ఈవెన్ నేను క్రియేట్ చేసినా కానీ 28th August ఇంకా మైండ్ బ్లాంక్గానే ఉంటుంది ఎగ్జామ్ రాసే వరకు. టిల్ వి ఫినిష్ అవర్ ఎగ్జామ్ ద సిలబస్ విల్ నెవర్ బీ కంప్లీట్, బట్ ఇన్ అ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ హోపింగ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ కంప్లీట్ అట్లీస్ట్ 80% ఆఫ్ సిలబస్, ఓకే. నో వన్ విల్ కంప్లీట్ 100% ఆఫ్ సిలబస్. 55 days కాదు, 365 days ఇచ్చిన 100% సిలబస్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వదు. బట్ దిస్ ప్లాన్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ. ఐ హోప్ దిస్ ప్లాన్ హెల్ప్స్ యూ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్రిపరేషన్, or else adjust this plan, adjust this strategy based on your strengths, okay. I hope this video, I took actually I didn't plan this study plan, but based on one అట్లా అడిగారని నేను I don't know how much it will work. Okay, hope, I'm really praying to God that this plan should work for you. Okay, because only if you cover the subject, then only you will get confidence in exam. Because 25 questions in professional knowledge, it's hard to predict what questions will come. Less questions, more subjects. Okay, but QRA English, definitely you need to maintain sectional cutoff, and quant and reasoning you need to get 15 each, and professional you need to get 35 plus. Okay, mostly 30 plus. Okay, like doing this plan is mainly for 70 plus. You can say, sister, you said only 17 exam, after exam cut off 90 ante, see out of 125, I don't know if people will get 80 90 అంటే those who will read, they will read, but 80 90 అంటే it's I can't do anything అనమాట. But 70 is the decent score. Okay, see, if paper is, since this is the first time exam pattern కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ 50 కట్ ఆఫ్ అంటే అగ్రికల్చర్ కొంచెం నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నా కానీ ఏదన్నా 60-65 అయితే పక్కా ఉంటుందండి. 50% లెస్ అయితే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ద సెక్షన్ ఓవరాల్ కట్ ఆఫ్, నాట్ బిలో 60 అయితే ఉండదు. బికాస్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ 1 question 2 marks కాబట్టి ఎవ్రీ వన్ విల్ గెట్ మార్క్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి. సో ఐఎమ్ హోపింగ్ 70 ప్లస్ ఓన్లీ, లెస్ 50% కంటే కట్ ఆఫ్ తక్కువ అయితే ఉండదు వేకెన్సీస్ ఉన్నా కూడా. బట్ ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ హోపింగ్ కట్ ఆఫ్ షుడెంట్ గో 80-90. ఓకే, 65-70 ఆ రేంజ్లోనే ఉండాలి. బికాస్ దే నీడ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ 2000 స్టూడెంట్స్ కాబట్టి ఐ హోప్ వి ఆల్ షుడ్ బీ ఇన్ దట్ 2000 లిస్ట్లో ఉండాలి. కట్ ఆఫ్ కొంచెం 65-70 ఆ రేంజ్లో ఉండాలి. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లెస్ ఆల్సో హ్యాపీ. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ టైమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. హ్యాపీ లెర్నింగ్.